How to convert a Word document into Google Docs. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert a Word document into Google Docs. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Google Docs and Google Drive on another page. So after you're on your Google Drive, you'll actually need to upload your Word documents into your Google Drive. So you can drag it and drop it. It's really simple. So let me just do that here and drag and drop. So I've already uploaded these. So let me just head over to my drive and there we go. These are the Word documents. Now you can head over to your Google Docs. Tap on blank document. And after you tap on blank document, you will see a file option on the top left. Tap on it and there you'll see open option. So tap on open. And after you tap on open, it will take you to your drive. Now, since you uploaded your Word document to your drive, you can then select the Word document, which you can open. So after it can take a few moments as it says right here. And there we go. Now you have just opened up your Word document into your Google Drive. And now you can save it like this as well. Now it will automatically save here as well. So you can just save it to your cloud and then just head back. And that's how you convert your Word document into your Google Docs. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.